Few months back, I made this project on stone, paper and scissors, and it is just a simple project which had PNGs of my hand, and in the back end the Python code works, and it was quite boring in looks. So what I want to do is to transform it into a real world thing. So I came up with an idea. Let me show you. I will record a video in which my monitor representing the computer's choice with the animations will be placed on the left hand side, and on the right hand side I will switch my hands to illustrate rock, paper and scissor respectively. These are a few animations I created to display on the monitor. Then I recorded a few shots according to the plan featuring the monitor and my hand. Then I converted these shots into GIFs and broke them into many images which will be played one by one to make it look like a video. Then the coding process started. I created a player class to manage the game. In this class, I handle the animations for rock, paper and scissors. Each animation is broken down into frames and I have set up ranges for each choice. Moving on, I added functionalities to display the computer's choice on the left hand side of the screen. The animations for this are based on the computer's choice and it looks pretty neat. Then I implemented the logic for determining the winner. If you are curious about how the game decides who wins between rock, paper and scissors, check out the determine winner function. Now let's talk about the game setup. I used Pygame to create game screen and I set up fonts for displaying text. The main game loops handles events, updates animation and renders everything on the screen. The player can make choices using keyboard events, press key for stone, press P for paper and press C for scissors. And to see the computers move, we just need to hit enter. To keep the game engaging, I created a reset option. If you want to start fresh, simply hit the space key. So this was the explanation for the code, and now let's see how the actual game looks. As now you can see, everything is looking quite good. My hands are in motion, animations are visible on the monitor and the text fonts are also looking good. Now if I press C, it will switch to scissor, and if I press P, it will switch to paper. When I press enter, it should display the result and the computer's choice will be visible on the monitor screen. So this was the video. Thanks for watching.